Right. Let's go to the next problem, which is this one. What is given? An LTA system with differential equation is given. Input is given to be e power minus t by 3 u of t. Okay. You have to find the output of the system. Okay. See the response of the system to the input you have to find out, which is nothing but output. Okay, so differential equation is given. So first step is to find the impulse response. So to find the impulse response, we have to find the frequency response. So what is the frequency response? That is, you can, from the differential equation you can directly get. So that should be 3 by 1 by 6 plus j omega. So that would be the impulse response of the system. So this implies what is the, sorry, this is frequency response. So what is the impulse response here? That should be 3 times e power minus t by 6 u of t. So that is 3 times e power minus t by 6 u of t. That is h of t. So then we have to find out the output y of t of the LTA system, which is nothing but x of t convolved with h of t. Okay, we know what is x of t. What is x of t here? It is given to be 3 e power minus t by 3 u of t convolved with what is h of t. H of t, we got it to be 3 e power minus t by 6 u of t. Okay, and again this is looking like what? It is looking like e power minus at u of t convolved with e power minus bt u of t. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 9. So what is the answer here? E power minus at minus e power minus bt, okay, divided by b minus a, which is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3, and this whole thing is multiplied with u of t. Okay, so this should be equal to, so 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 is how much here? Okay, so that should be 6. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6 you will get. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied with 9 should be, 9 by minus 1 by 6 is minus 54, multiplied with e power minus t by 3 minus e power minus t by 6 u of t. Okay, so if you send minus inside, what do you get? So that should be equal to 54 multiplied with e power minus t by 6 minus e power minus t by 3 u of t. Okay, so that would be the response of the system. Indirectly they are asking the output. Okay, so which one matches here? This one. Okay, choice D matches. So it is 54 e power minus t by 6, correct? U of t minus 54 e power minus t by 3 u of t. Okay,